In this video, you will learn how to build a simple website using Zoho Sites. By following these instructions, you will create a functional website tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Zoho homepage. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the Zoho home interface, which contains various applications available for use. Next, locate the Sites option on the home page. This is typically found among the listed applications. Clicking on Sites will redirect you to the Zoho Sites dashboard. After this, you will need to click on the option to name your website. This button is prominently displayed on the dashboard. Once selected, a new input field will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your website. Type in a name for your site in the provided field. Ensure that the name is descriptive and relevant to the content you plan to provide. Once you've entered the name, you can proceed to the next step. Following that, click on Pick Your Website's Category. This option allows you to select a category that best fits your website's purpose. After clicking, a list of categories will display, enabling you to choose the most appropriate one. Next, click on the General option. This section will provide additional settings related to your website. You should see various options related to the site's general settings once you click. After that, you will need to agree to the terms of use. Click on the statement that indicates your agreement. A checkbox or confirmation message may appear confirming that you have accepted the terms. Then click on Choose Template. This action will lead you to a selection of templates that you can use as a framework for your website. A variety of templates should be displayed for you to choose from. Select a template you love by clicking on Pick a Template You Love. This action will allow you to preview different designs. Make sure to choose one that aligns with your vision for the website. Next, click on Try a New Look at any time without losing content. This feature allows you to experiment with different templates without losing your existing content. You should see this option prominently displayed. Following that, click on Customize. This will enable you to make specific adjustments to your chosen template. You will enter a customization interface where you can modify various elements. After this, click on Customize again to access further customization options. This may include layout adjustments, color schemes, and more, depending on the template you selected. Next, click on Pick a Set of Colors. This option will present you with various color palettes to enhance the visual appeal of your website. Choose colors that complement your brand. Then click on Pick a Set of Fonts. This option allows you to select typography that suits your website's style. A list of font options will be available for you to explore. Following that, click on Pick a Header and Banner Style. This step will allow you to choose the design for the header and banner of your website, which are crucial for first impressions. Click on Finish to complete the setup process. This action will finalize your selections and prepare your website for launch. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the setup is complete. Lastly, click on Your website will be ready in a moment. This message confirms that your site is being prepared for viewing. Depending on the complexity of your design, this process may take a few moments.